Good morning, students. Today in math class, we are going to learn about fact families. Do we know what a family is? Does anybody know? What is a family?
A family is when you have people that are related to you.
Right. So that's exactly what a fact family is. You take a group of numbers that can be related together in some way and create a whole math problem. In a fact family, you use addition and subtraction. So we're going to take two numbers, and our two numbers are going to be 2 and 4. Okay? So do you know what 2 plus 4 equals?
5.
2 plus 4 actually equals 6. So what happens if you switch the 4 and the 2? Does your answer change? It's still a 6, isn't it? So we know that 2 and 4 in any order are always going to equal 6. They are related in the way that they are equal to 6. So we're going to take those same set of numbers and we're going to do it in subtraction. So what happens if you start with your bigger number and minus one of the little ones? So if you go 6 minus 4, what would be left? 2, right? Because that was the other number that was related together so that all of our numbers can make a family. So we have to take our bigger number again and we go minus 2. So what is left?
4.
4, right? So that is how you do a fact family. So we're going to take just a second and we're going to put all of them together to show the whole class what an entire family of numbers looks like. So we know that 2 plus 4 equals 6. 4 plus 2 equals 6. Then we're going to go to the second half of our family, and we see that 6 minus 4 equals 2, and you can take 6 minus 2, which equals 4. You have the same set of numbers all the way throughout the entire problem, right? They're a family. They're all related together. Does that make sense?
Sure.
Okay, so now we're going to do a couple together, just so that I know that you know how to do a fact family. So our two numbers, we're going to take 7 plus 3. What does 7 plus 3 equal?
10.
10. So what is the next step in this problem?
3 plus 7 equals 10.
Right, you just flip those numbers around to keep the relation the same, right? So now we have done our two parts of addition. So what comes next?
Subtract.
Subtraction. So when you start a subtraction number, which number do you got to start with? You start with one of the little ones? No, you have to start with the big one, right? So you take 10 minus 3 equals
7.
7, right? So now what do you do to finish this out?
10 minus 7 equals 3.
Perfect. That shows your entire fact family as one entire group of numbers. So let's do some more, just to make sure. So we're going to go 10 plus, actually we're going to go 10 and 4. Okay, those are our numbers. So I want you to walk me through all the steps to take a 10 and a 4 and make it into a whole fact family.
10 plus 4 equals 14.
10 plus 4 equals 14, right?
4 plus 10 equals 14.
4 plus 10 equals 14. Very good. So that's the first half, right? So now where are we going to go?
14 minus 10 equals 4.
Right. And how do you finish?
14 minus 4 equals 10. You gotta finish it off with a tongue.
With a tongue?
Yeah.
So I got to, we'll just draw a smiley face on it to show that we got it all right. So now I'm going to give you 3 sets of numbers, and I want you to build 3 separate fact families for all of those numbers, okay? So we're going to do 11 plus 5 is your first set of numbers, and we're going to go 7 plus 9 for your second one, and we're going to go 8 plus 4 for your third one, and then for your last set of numbers, I want 6 and 8. That's good.